Hello my crafty friends, this is Monica from Allsewpetite. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will demonstrate how to make a two-tone adjustable strap, and I will use strap and caps to finish off the short raw edges. This method is great, especially if you are sewing a thick fabric and cannot make the strap from a single piece of fabric. Whenever I'm sewing with heavyweight faux leather, vinyl or cork, I prefer to use this method because it allows me to mix the heavyweight fabric with something lightweight, and most of the time I would pick a contrasting color and use it as an accent. Whenever I add strap and caps to my strap, I always feel like it looks more professionally made. It is a simple way to elevate the overall look and add some interesting detail. If this is something that you would like to learn, then keep on watching. To make your two-tone adjustable strap, you will need external fabric, preferably in contrasting colors. If you are working with quilting cotton or stretchy fabric, you might want to apply some woven interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric first. If you prefer more padded straps, then add fusible fleece or something similar. I would highly recommend that, especially if you are making wider straps for a backpack or large tote bag. You will also need a ruler to take some measurements, your favorite marking tools, a strap adjuster and 2 swivel hooks. The size of the hardware will depend on how wide you want the strap to be. There is a lot of bulk when making straps, so using rivets is a great alternative. You will also need a hole puncher and some other tools to set them in, such as a hand press. When adding strap and caps, those must be the same size as the other hardware. So also a screwdriver is needed to tighten the screws. Keep a seam ripper on hand in case if something goes wrong. I like to have a hump jumper nearby to help with those bulky seams. You will also need snips and scissors, some clips to hold the fabric in place, double-sided tape and multi-surface glue. To complete the project, you will need to cut long strip from each fabric. The length entirely is up to you. The width of the understrap is twice the size of your hardware. If you are not sure, then grab the strap adjuster or a swivel hook and measure the width inside. So if I'm using a 2.5 cm hardware, that strip would be 5 cm wide. The other strip of fabric will be the top portion of my strap, and it is 1 cm narrower. I did not interface the faux leather because it is thick and stable enough. My top strap piece is a medium weight cotton canvas, so I fused some woven interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric to add some stability. On the wrong side of the strap pieces, draw a line in the middle. We are going to use them as a guide to fold the edges towards the center. If you are using a fabric that is difficult to press, you can use double-sided tape instead. Otherwise, go to the pressing station and fold the edges towards the line with the wrong sides together. Apply double-sided tape on each side of the line. Then you can peel off the plastic cover and fold the edges towards the line. Do this on one side first, then repeat on the other side. As you can see, I have the edges folded on both of my strap pieces. Next, we are going to place both pieces wrong sides together, enclosing the seam allowance. You're going to have to center the top strap so you have the same amount of understrap showing on both sides. You can use clips to hold everything together, otherwise apply double-sided tape in the center. When you are ready, take the strap to the sewing machine and stitch on both sides. Now that our strap is made, take the strap adjuster and fit the strap around the middle bridge. Make sure you have the top of the strap facing up. Now we're going to install the strap and cap. You may want to add a small amount of glue into the tunnel before inserting the strap. My strap is quite thick, so I will skip this step today. Make sure you push the strap till the end of the cap. I like to use an awl to pierce the fabric where the screw holes are, because I found it is much easier to insert and tighten the screws. Before I insert screws, I like to add some glue into the holes. This will prevent the screws from becoming loose when the strap is being used. Insert the screws and twist them tightly. Now you can fold the strap about 4 or 5 centimeters. Then stitch a box at the end and crossing lines inside the box. Otherwise, install a couple of rivets like me. Lay the strap flat on the table and on the short end, mark the rivet placements. Then you can punch the holes. Line up the edges and mark the placement of your rivets on the other side. Or you can just use the holes as a guide and punch the holes straight away. Insert both rivets and set them in. Take the other end of the strap and feed it through one of the swivel hooks. Make sure the top side of the strap and the swivel hook are both on the same side. Untwist the strap if needed and fit the loose end around the middle bridge of the strap adjuster. This has to be done in opposite direction than we've done previously. Now we're going to feed this end through the other swivel hook. Make sure the top strap and the swivel hook are on the same side. We are going to fold the strap by about 4 or 5 centimeters, but first we need to install the other strap and cap. When you are ready, fold the strap, then sew a box at the end with some crossing lines, or install rivets. Your two-tone adjustable strap is now completed. Leave a comment if you found this tutorial helpful and subscribe to my channel for similar content. See you next time! Stay crafty, friends!